Mikayla Chiappetta, and I chose the biological science program specializing in life sciences. I chose Ontario Tech because of the homey feel and how everybody's so supportive and welcoming at the open house, and I just knew this was the place for me. My advice for future high school students is to enjoy high school and just dedication and work hard, but have fun through everything. This scholarship means everything to me. I'm so excited and happy to be a part of it, and I hope that I can take it and further my career with it. I joined the Rich Backpack.